Welcome to Visual Fractions. Today, we're diving into how to convert the decimal 0.2 into a fraction. Let's start with our decimal, 0.2. Notice there is one digit to the right of the decimal. This places it in the tenths position. To convert this decimal into a fraction, you initially put it over 1, essentially treating the decimal as the numerator in a fraction where the denominator is 1. This sets up the conversion process where we multiply both the numerator, the decimal, and the denominator, 1, by 10 because there is one decimal place. So, 0.2 times 10 gives us 2, and 1 times 10 gives us 10. This translates 0.2 to the fraction 2 over 10. Next, we simplify. Both the numerator and the denominator in 2/10 are divisible by 2, the greatest common divisor. Divide 2 by 2 to get 1 and divide 10 by 2 to get 5. So, 2/10 simplifies neatly to 1/5. And there you have it. The decimal 0.2 when converted to a fraction equals 1/5. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more practical math insights. Thanks for watching.